Hi all of you. Now discuss about the delta star transformation. Delta network, delta circuit convert into star circuit. It is a complicated circuits. So first of all, delta circuit here. The delta version junctions A, C, B and star or Y junction by circuit. Delta converting into star circuit here. A, B, C, three junctions. Here, delta convert to star transformation. Delta consisting three resistance of resistors. This is a R1, R2, R3, for example. This transfer to star or Y. C, A, B. Here, resistance of delta R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3. This converting star. This is a small letters, small r resistance of the star, small r2, small r3, for example. This one here r1, r3, r2. The data transfer into Y junction or Y network or star network. Here R1 is equal to net formulas. R1 is equal to adjacent sides of resistance. The product of adjacent sides of resistance R1, R2 by total resistance of the delta function, delta circuit. R1 plus R2 plus R3 and R2 is adjacent sides. The resistance of the adjacent sides here, the product of resistance of adjacent sides R2 is equal to R1 and R2 by total resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, R3 is equal to, so R3 adjacent, the resistance of the adjacent sides here, the product of resistance of adjacent sides here R2, so here R3 by total resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now prove the this delta function, delta circuit convert into star R1, R2, R3. We find out the R1, R2 and R3 values. First of all, for any two junctions, AB or AC or BC is equal to, in between AC, AB, AC or BC. Okay, here junctions, AB junctions. Okay, these the resistance, this AB junction, R1 and R2, these are in series combination. These two parallel to the R2. Okay, here R1 is equal to R1 plus R3. AB means AB. R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3 is equal to these two resistance series R1 plus R3. This parallel to the R2. So R2 parallel R1 plus R2, that is equal to here R2 R1 plus R3 by total distance R1 plus R2 plus here R3. This one R1 plus R2 R R3 R2 sorry R2 R3 R2 R3. This is the equation 1. Similarly, the junctions AC means here AC R1 plus R3 junctions AC. Okay. R1 plus R3 plus R3 is equal to here these two are series parallel to the R1, so R1 into R1 plus R3 R1 R2 plus R3 by total distance by total R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, next one BC. Okay, the junctions here BC R1 plus R2 plus R2 is equal to this R1 R2 series, these two parallel to R3, so R3 parallel to R1 plus R2 is equal to R3 into R1 plus R2 by total distance R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the equation 3. These three equations. Okay, this one 2. Now these three equations addition of these three equations. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 R1 plus R3 R2 plus 2 times R1 R2 R3 here R3. So 2 common R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to here R2 into R1 plus R2. Denominator here these three equations here same plus second equation R1 into R2 plus R3 plus R3 plus third equation R3 into R1 plus R2 by total resistance. Okay, R2 multiplication inside, R1 multiplication inside, and R3 multiplication inside of the R1 and R2 simplifies 2 into remaining R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to these terms R2 into R2 R1 plus R2 first equation 3. Okay, R2 R3 same double 2 times all are, that is equal to 2 into R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 by total resistance R1 plus R2 plus here R3. So this is a cancel term. 2 get cancelled. This is a equation 4. This one here equation 4. Okay. Note this one. Now equation 4 minus 1. After we get any R1 or R2 or R3. Okay. Equation 4 minus 1. Equation 4 minus 1. Equation 4 here R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus equation 1. For example, equation 1. Equation 1 R2 minus R2 minus R3 minus R2 minus R3 is equal to this term here R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. Here these terms remain R2 R1 minus R1 R2 minus R2 R3 R2 R3 by total resistance R1 plus R2 plus here R3. Here R1 R2 positive, here R1 R2 negative. This term is cancelled. Minus R2 R3 minus R2 R3. This term here also cancelled. So remaining here R2 get cancelled, R3 get cancelled. So remaining terms here R1, the resistance of the star R1 is equal to this remaining R1 R2 by R1 R3 by total resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the resistance of the R1 plus the bijunction by star. Okay. Similarly, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, here equation 4, R1 R3 remaining term is R2 is equal to so R2 is equal to this term is removed, so this term is addition, that is equal to here R2 R1 plus R1 into R2. Okay, R2 is equal to R1 R2 by total resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3, and R3 is equal to, we simplify 4 minus 3 after we get simplifying, after we get here R3 is equal to R2 R3 by total resistance R1 plus R2 plus here R3. This is a star. Okay, the delta converting into star circuit. So note it. Now example on the delta star. Okay. Here transformation, for example, bijunction or star converting into delta. So R1 is equal to here R1 capital R. So capital R1 is equal to here this is a star to delta transformation. Okay. R1 is equal to here R1 plus R2, small r1 plus small r2 plus here R1 R2 by other resistance means here R3 by R3. Okay. Next one R2 is equal to, here R2 is equal to adjacent sides here R2 R3 plus R3 plus here R2 R3 by other resistance, that means here opposite resistance here R1. Okay, meaning here R3 is equal to R3, here adjacent sides here R1 R3 is equal to R1 plus R3 plus R1 R3 by here R2. These are star circuit converting into delta circuit. Star circuit converting into delta circuit. These formulas. Note it. the problems on the delta converting in star, for example. Okay. Now find out the effective distance given circuit. Okay. For any one given circuit here, circuit, for example, okay, A is the B junction, this one here C, this one here D. 5 ohm, for example, this also 5 ohm, this 10 ohm, this 10 ohm, for example, this 5 ohm. Find out the effective resistance in between A and B. A and B. Here in this circuit, two deltas. Here A, B, sorry, A, C, D, another one here C, D, B. Okay, this star, this delta converting into star. So, converting into star. First of all, this circuit here. Okay, for example, R1, R2, this one here, R3. Okay, now R1 values here, R1 values, this is R1. R1 is equal to the product of resistance of adjacent sides of the delta circuit. Okay, adjacent sides here 5 into 10 by total resistance of this circuit, delta circuit, 5 plus 10 is equal to 50 by 20. 50 by 20, 0 get cancel, simplifies 5 by 2. 5 by 2. R1 is equal to, therefore R1 is equal to 5 by 2 ohm. Okay. R1 values. Next one, R2. R2 is equal to, adjacent sides means 5 ohm, here 5 ohm. 5 into 5 by total resistance of the ACD. Okay. 5 plus 10. Total 10, that is equal to 25 by 20, that is 5 5 ja, 5 4 ja, 5 4 ja. So 5 by 4. This one here, R2 is equal to 5 by 4. Okay. Third one, R1 here, R3. R3 is equal to, adjacent sides here 5 into 10 by 20 into 10 by 20 is equal to 50 by 20 ohms. 2 to 0 0 get cancel. So R3 is equal to 5 by 2 ohms. Okay. The third one, R2. R2 here. So this circuit 5 5 10 removed. So junction here, this junction R1. Okay, this is the A, this is C, this is the D, this connection here D. Okay. So R1 is equal to 5 by 2 and R3 is equal to 5 by 3, 5 by 2. R2 is equal to 5 by 4, 5 by 4. Okay. Now this C junction, this is a B junction. For 10 ohm, yeah, this is 5 ohm. 5 by 4 10 ohm series combination, 5 by 2 5 series combination. So these two parallel combination. So first of all this values series combination 5 by 4 plus 10, that is equal to 4 10 is 40 by 4 is equal to 45 by 4. This one here 40 by 4. So this is this one 5 by 2 plus here 5. Okay, 5 by 2 plus 5. 2 5 is 10. 5 plus 10 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Okay. Finally, this is a minimized junction A. Junction 5 by 2 ohm. This one here. This one. This one. Okay. So junction this junction B. This junction B. This value is here 45 by 4 ohm. This value is here 15 by 2. These two are in parallel combination. These two are in parallel combination. Okay. These two values here. These two values simplify parallel combination. 45 by 4 into 15 by 2 by 45 by 4 plus 15 by 2. Okay. Simplifies 45 into 5 by 8. Here cross multiplication 2 45 is 2 4 2 is 8, right? 2 45 is 90 plus 4 15 is 60. Simplify 8 8 get cancel. Simplifies here 45 into 15 by 190 plus 15 and 60 150. 150. So 50 51 ja 15 10 ja okay 5 2 ja 5 9 ja, that is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 ohms. This one here, this is 9 by 2 ohms. Simplifies here 9 by 2 ohms. Okay, this circuit and parallel series to 5 by 2. So this circuit here junction A. Okay, junction A. This is a distance here. This is a B junction. So A values here 5 by 2 ohm. This one here 9 by 2. 9 by 2. So simplifying, these two are in series combination. Series. So 5 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Denominator here same 2. 5 plus 9 14. 14 2 1 ja 2 7, that is equal to 7 ohm. Simplifies here junction A to B here 7 ohm. This is the answer. So the total network gives the effective distance of the this circuit here from 7 ohms. Okay, thanks.